Hello viewers, welcome to IT System Admin and Information Technology Learning Tutorial channel for you. In this tutorial, I am going to show you how to insert a table in Google Docs. Sometimes it becomes very important for you, so don't forget to watch full video. To insert a table in Google Docs, go to your Google Docs and click on Insert tab on upper left corner. Then go to table and you can insert table from here. Hover your mouse pointer on the table, left to right side, you can insert column, and from upper to lower side you can insert row. And now click here and look, the table is inserted. And then if you wish, you can resize the column size, or you can resize the row size. And then if you want, you can color this table. Click on the three dot icon and then click on background color. Now select the color. The color has been selected. And then if you want, you can insert more row in this table. Click on any cell and then right click on the table, and then you can choose insert row above, insert row below. I am inserting a row below. And if you want, you can remove a row. Just click on a cell in the row which you want to remove. Right click on the row and then click delete row, and then the row is deleted. In this way you can delete column also. Click on the column which you want to delete and then right click and then click delete column, and look, the column is deleted. And if you want, you can change the border color. Select the table and right click on it, then scroll down, click on the table properties. Now expand color, and here you will find the table border and the default color is black. Click on the color here and you can change the table border color from here. You can change the border size. Click on the table border width and change the border width. And if you want, you can change the cell color from here. Click on the cell and then look, here you will find cell background color, and click on the color here and change the color. Again, I am changing the color. In this way, you can customize your cell color, and if you want, you can resize your table. Just drag and the easiest way to resize the table. This is the easiest way to insert a table in Google Docs. This is all for today. Hope this tutorial is helpful for you. Keep watching for next tutorial. Thank you very much.